Hey guys, Cara Di Falco here, and I just wanted to take some time to answer one of the most often asked questions that I get as a health coach, and that is, how can I plan and prepare healthy meals for myself and for my family? So I wanted to take some time today to show you what I do to plan and prepare for my family and pass that along to you guys. What I have here is a basic little setup that I have created, and you guys can get this for free at the link below in the description. You can also, you'll get it when you sign up for emails at caradifalco.com. This is how I plan and prepare meals for myself and my husband. So I have a household with 2 adults. So typically I will come up with about 5 recipes that I want to use for the week. I generally make sure that they make at least 4 servings so that we always have leftovers for lunch. One of my favorite apps that I use that I'm sure you've heard of for planning recipes is Pinterest, and you can certainly follow me on Pinterest as well and see the kind of things that I'm cooking and eating. But I have, of course, all of my recipes also available on Pinterest, but of course I'm checking out some other people as well. So I normally go through my boards and find out some different ideas and then just put them into place. So one of the things that I always normally like to start with is a whole roast chicken. It's just really versatile. It's something that we can use for a lot of different things. You can find that recipe again in the description box below or at the card above. A chicken will work out in a number of different ways for us because my husband can use it for sandwiches. We'll have it with some salad and stuff for dinner. And again, just a really versatile thing to make. I normally also always make at least one seafood dish. So one of the things that I love is a shrimp and grits recipe that I have, again, saved on Pinterest. Again, Italian, I always try to make sure we have at least one pasta dish, so I'll probably do something along the lines of pasta with broccoli rabe around this time of year. And then continuing on, once I have my recipes all picked out, I'll go through and I'll write down what groceries I need for those things. So a lot of times it's stuff that I have either in the pantry or the freezer. So I know for the shrimp and grits, quite frankly, there's a pound of shrimp in my freezer, so I don't need those. I have the grits also kept in my freezer, so I pretty much have all the ingredients. So I have a whole meal already in my household that I don't necessarily have to go shopping for. But the chicken, I am gonna need the whole chicken. I'm probably gonna need some more onions, along with carrots and celery. I know I have some fresh herbs stashed in the fridge, so I'll just work with that. Pasta, I'm gonna need another package of pasta along with the broccoli rabe. And I know I have plenty of garlic to go with that. We always generally have white wine at the bar. So I'm pretty much covered on my groceries. At this point then, and this is kind of what I established with this for you guys, is I've created this little prep schedule area. So whatever your day off is, and I understand working in news and broadcast over the years, everybody does not work Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. People are all over the place. So whatever day of the week or time of day is where you have some free time, clock it in, book that time. Okay, I'm gonna take an hour here, I'm gonna find my recipes, I'm gonna make my grocery list, I'm gonna take another hour here and do the shopping. And then for me, generally it's Mondays that I really kind of have some time to do stuff around the house. So that's when I'll do my grocery shopping, and that's when I'll also prepare the chicken, and then we'll have that ready to roll for the rest of the week. So I'll do the chicken that day. We'll have that for lunch on Tuesday. Tuesday night, I'll probably do the pasta just to mix it up since we already had animal protein the day before. The pasta will then be lunch on Wednesday, and Wednesday night, I'll make the shrimp. Now that I have this planned out, I know, so my shrimp are frozen, but I know Wednesday morning I can pull them out, throw them in a colander in the sink or even in the fridge, and let them start to defrost. So again, people come to me all the time and go, how do you expect me to plan a meal at 6 o'clock on Wednesday night when I get home? I don't. I expect you to plan it on Sunday or whatever your day off is so that you know that you're ready to roll. You can have this up on your refrigerator or just easily accessible out on your countertop, and then you know, this is what I'm making tonight, here's the menu, these are the things I need, and you can pull them out before you leave for work, or you can even get some stuff prepped the night before. If you know you're gonna be working with vegetables, feel free to chop them all up at one point. You can put them in containers, you can freeze them, you can buy frozen vegetables even. So there's a lot of shortcuts that you can put in place for yourself once you know what you're making. But it's these first 2 steps of saying, these are the healthy recipes that I wanna prepare, and these are the things that I need to get them done, and have that in place first. And then when you know what you're gonna make, so you can be ready to roll. Guys, once again, this little helpful sheet is for free. It's my gift to you. You can download it at the link below when you sign up for emails at caradifalco.com. Send me your health coaching questions, your healthy food and eating questions. I'm happy to answer them for you, and I'm hoping to do a lot more videos like this. If you're new to the channel, we are YouTube's only Emmy-nominated cooking and food show, so please hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you never miss an episode. I will see you guys next week.